Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of couldn't change profile on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of couldn't change profile on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In first, you can go to apps and you will enter to Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.